InspectPoint is a cloud-based fire inspection software that consists of two components: a secure backend, of what we refer to as our admin or back office portion, along with an iPad app, the part of the product used in the field by the technicians, and what I'll show you in just a few minutes. We'll start by showing the admin or back office portion of the product. This part of the product, as mentioned before, is secure and cloud-based, meaning nothing is installed and can be accessed anywhere at any time. Once you log into our secure cloud, you'll see the home page, or what we refer to as a dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see an overview for the month, and in the bottom half, you'll see more of your day-to-day, with a list of your inspections scheduled for today, a list of inspections ready for report generation, and a list of critical deficiencies identified during inspections. Over on the left, you'll see a sidebar with tabs such as calendar, buildings, and contacts. This sidebar is essentially how you maneuver through the different InspectPoint screens. By clicking on the calendar tab, you'll see the current month's inspections. From the calendar view, you have the ability to drag and drop an inspection to a specific date, as well as the option to filter by technician and/or frequency for a more pleasant view of the filtered inspections. All of your buildings live under the Buildings tab. Here, not only will you find a full list of your buildings in alphabetical order, but some details regarding the building as well, such as some building information, reference numbers, and number of inspections. By clicking on a building, you will be directed to the Building Details screen. Here, you can see address information, building notes, as well as the default technician if assigned. It is at the building level that you store what needs to be inspected, along with inspection schedules and reports. It is also at this level that you set your inspection schedules. If you click the Inspection tab, followed by the plus New Inspection option, InspectPoint will walk you through the scheduling process step by step. Once the inspection has been set up, it is automatically placed in a pending status. From there, it is a manual process to move the inspection from the pending status to the scheduled status. The process of updating an inspection status is just as simple as scheduling. At this point, because the inspection is in the scheduled status, we are ready to move to the iPad and perform the inspection. Here on my screen, you will see the InspectPoint iPad app with the inspections currently assigned to Brittany. On the left side of the screen, you'll see three tabs: Completed, Scheduled, Future. On the right, you'll see the building and inspection details, along with any contact or previous report information, if applicable. To begin the inspection, tap Inspect in the upper right corner. We'll now see the inspection detail screen and all that is assigned to be inspected during this particular inspection. How you choose to inspect the building is entirely up to the technician. You can move in order from top to bottom or jump between forms. We'll start by clicking into the general questions. Here, you'll see the inspection question answers defaulted to yes. This is our default setting. However, this can be configured to best fit your business's needs. As you work your way through the questions, you can make note of a deficiency by tapping No. You can add notes and photos to those deficiencies that you want displayed on reports by tapping Notes. You can leave notes that will only be seen by the office in the internal Notes section, or leave notes you'd like the customer to see in the Notes section. Add a photo by tapping Take Photo. When you're finished with notes and photos, tap Save. Tap Done when you get to the end of the general questions. This will bring us back to the inspection detail screen. Again, you can go in order or jump around, entirely up to you. Complete each section as you choose, and when completely finished, tap Review and Complete. Head to the text signature field and sign using your finger. If the client is available, tap Client Signature and have them sign. When all necessary signatures have been collected, tap Finish Inspection. A pop-up will appear. This pop-up is indicating that the inspection is finished, but the information has not yet been sent back to the office. Tap Yes. Tap Close in the upper left corner, and this will bring us back to the building detail screen. If you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a data connection, tap the blue button Send to Office and mark Complete. A timestamp under the blue button will indicate when the data was sent back to the office. We're now back in the office portion of InspectPoint. As you'll see on my screen, the inspection status is now Waiting Review. This means the data has been sent and we are ready to generate a report. On this screen, known as the Inspection Details screen, we'll click Generate Full Report. Navigate to the Reports tab on the left sidebar, where you will see a full list of your reports generated inside InspectPoint. Once you locate the inspection, click Download, or click Send to Contact if an email is associated with the contact attached to the building. This is just an overview of the InspectPoint platform. If you'd like to see more or have any questions, please click our Request a Demo link in the description below.